Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable air conditioners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or premium performance, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Windowless Mini Air Conditioner, a budget-friendly option that packs a surprising amount of features into a compact design. With its 4-in-1 functionality as an air conditioner, fan, humidifier, and nightlight, this little unit is perfect for small spaces like bedrooms, offices, or dorm rooms. Its rapid cooling feature can lower temperatures by 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in just seconds, especially if you use ice water or cubes for an extra chill. The design is sleek and portable, weighing just 2.7 pounds with a convenient handle for easy transport. The 1,000 milliliter water tank ensures up to 10 hours of continuous operation, and the 7-color nightlight adds a relaxing ambiance to your room. It also includes a remote control for adjusting settings from across the room, which is a nice touch for such an affordable option. While it's great for personal cooling, it's not powerful enough for larger spaces or extreme heat. The build quality is solid for its price, but it's primarily made for light-duty cooling. If you're on a tight budget or need a compact solution for a small area, this unit is hard to beat. However, those looking for more robust cooling power may want to explore other options. At number 4, we have the Serene Life 3-in-1 Portable Air Conditioner. This unit delivers a balance of cooling, dehumidification, and fan modes, making it versatile for year-round use. With an 8,000 BTU cooling capacity, it's ideal for spaces up to 215 square feet, such as small bedrooms, offices, or garages. Plus, its built-in dehumidifier helps reduce allergens like mold and mildew, making it a great choice for those who suffer from allergies. In terms of design, the Serene Life unit is lightweight and portable, featuring rolling wheels for easy maneuverability. The digital touch control panel and included remote make operation seamless, and its noise level of 55 to 57 decibels ensures a quiet experience. The unit also comes with a complete window-mount exhaust kit for proper ventilation, which is essential for optimal performance. While the Serene Life offers great functionality, its cooling power is limited compared to higher BTU models, and the coverage area may not be sufficient for larger spaces. Additionally, the price isn't listed, which makes it harder to assess its value proposition. Overall, if you're looking for a portable and versatile AC for small rooms, this unit is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Windowless Portable Air Conditioner, an award-winning unit recognized as Good Housekeeping's 2025 Best Overall Portable Air Conditioner. Packing 14,000 BTU of cooling power, this model is perfect for larger spaces up to 500 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, master bedrooms, or even studio apartments. It features a dual hose system for more efficient cooling and includes an auto-drain function to eliminate condensate buildup. The design is robust, with a sleek platinum black finish that complements modern interiors. Despite its powerful performance, the Windowless AC operates quietly at just 51 dB on low speed, so it won't disturb your sleep or work. The unit also has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan. Plus, its activated carbon filter improves air quality, which is a thoughtful addition for households prioritizing health. However, this unit weighs 73 pounds, making it less portable than other models. Additionally, its price isn't listed, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Despite these drawbacks, the Windowless ARC14S offers exceptional cooling performance and energy efficiency, making it a top pick for larger spaces and premium cooling needs. Coming in at number 2 is the Black + Decker Smart Portable Air Conditioner with Heat, a powerhouse unit for year-round comfort. With 14,000 BTU cooling and 12,000 BTU heating capacity, this model handles rooms up to 700 square feet with ease. It's truly a 4-in-1 system, functioning as an air conditioner, heater, dehumidifier, and fan. For added convenience, it's smart-enabled, allowing voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, and app-based operation. The build quality is impressive, with a durable aluminum and plastic construction. The Follow Me remote acts as a thermostat, ensuring precise temperature control wherever you are in the room. Additionally, the easy-to-install window vent kit makes setup straightforward, and the 52 dB noise level keeps operation relatively quiet. The high cooling and heating power combined with smart features make this unit a fantastic choice for large spaces or tech enthusiasts. However, at 63.6 pounds, it's not the most portable option. Also, its price isn't listed, which might make buyers hesitate. If you need a versatile, powerful unit for all seasons, the Black + Decker Smart Portable Air Conditioner is worth serious consideration. Finally, at number 1, we have the FlowBreeze 24-inch windowless portable air conditioner. This premium unit combines functionality and efficiency, offering a 3-in-1 design as an air conditioner, humidifier, and fan. With 3 modes and 3 speeds, it delivers a customizable cooling experience suitable for spaces up to 300 square feet. Its internal turbo technology ensures strong airflow while keeping noise levels as low as 49 dB, making it perfect for quiet environments. The standout feature here is the 2-gallon water tank, which allows up to 10 hours of operation without frequent refills. The unit also includes 4 upgraded ice packs for enhanced cooling and offers a 15-hour timer for energy-efficient operation. The 120 degrees oscillation ensures even cooling throughout the room, while the compact design and built-in wheels make it easy to move between spaces. Priced at $139.99, this unit offers excellent value for its performance and features. While it doesn't have the raw cooling power of higher BTU models, its versatility, low energy consumption, and quiet operation make it ideal for small to medium-sized rooms. If you're seeking a portable, high-quality cooling solution, the FlowBreeze windowless portable air conditioner is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.